Sermon number 5. When the Holy Prophet died, and Abbas ibn Abdul Muttalib, and Abu Sufyan ibn Harb, offered to pay allegiance to Amir al-Mu'mineen, for the Caliphate. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. A people. Steer clear through the waves of mischief by boats of deliverance, turn away from the path of dissension and put off the crowns of pride. Prosperous is one who rises with wings, that is when he has power. Or else he remains peaceful and others enjoy ease. It, that is the aspiration for caliphate, is like turbid water or like a morsel that would suffocate the person who swallows it. One who plucks fruits before ripening is like one who cultivated in another's field. If I speak out they would call me greedy towards power, but if I keep quiet they would say I was afraid of death. It is a pity that after all the ups and downs I have been through, by Allah the son of Abu Talib is more familiar with death than an infant with the breast of its mother. I have hidden knowledge, if I disclose it you will start trembling like ropes in deep wells.